slowly. Yeah.
Before talking about crypto AI, because that's why we're here today, the other day we talked about mental health and AI.
Yeah.
How do we solve the big mental health issue with AI?
AI? With AI? Right.
Or AI agents, which we're going to introduce today.
Yeah, I think so there are two parts, right? One is prevention, one is cure, right? We talk about cure first because that's easy, right? I mean, most people when you have mental health, you go to the doctor. But in our part of the world, mental health, visiting clinics is not. It's kind of still considered a taboo. But with AI agent, it's becoming much easier. You know, you can just text the doctor, AI, rather than like visiting a clinic, right? But I think that's not interesting as a solution.
I mean, it could be if, because today most of the doctors, I mean, today the human don't really understand the brain, right?
Yes.
The mind. So like when you have depression or anxiety, like you probably can rely, if you're self-aware, right? Or you're like, okay, what did I do yesterday? What's going on in my life? You can kind of try to find the cause yourself probably better than a doctor who doesn't know you, right?
True.
Whereas an AI could be at some point hyper intelligent and be, I don't know how, understanding, like helping you narrow down what the issues are.
Yeah.
I mean, hopefully, right?
There are two parts to it. So one is on analytics, which is understand everything, right? Track everything in your hormone, your whatever. The second part, obviously, is trying to understand from a molecular point of view, you know, which specific chemicals or hormone in your body actually trigger certain sort of mental neuron path, right, that lead to depression. That thing you could argue that with, it's not really AI agent, but like sort of machine learning and AI, they could understand the protein fold and all those things, right? In fact, I have one very interesting decentralized science project is trying to like model the protein fold to solve certain things like this. And they're launching an agent coin on our ecosystem soon. So that's one. I think prevention is a cooler thing to do, right? Which is if AI agent, to your point, right, knows everything about your daily life, they could predict. They'd be like, okay, Kevin, I think historically, if you don't sleep 3 days in a row, you're gonna have mental health, for example, right? You know, then that's good.